Welcome to this video tutorial on the topic of Primescan and the new autoclavable sleeve. This video summarizes the steps of using and processing the autoclavable type sleeve. There are three different types of sleeves in total. On the left you can see the stainless steel sleeve with sapphire glass. In the middle is the disposable sleeve that is discarded after each patient use. And on the right we have the autoclavable sleeve with a disposable window. For detailed information about the first two sleeves, please refer to our video tutorial entitled Primescan and the Acquisition Center, Cleaning and Disinfection Procedures. This tutorial focuses on the new autoclavable sleeve with disposable window. In this video, we will cover three different processes associated with this sleeve: the workflow after unpacking but before the first use, preparations for use on a patient, and the process after use. The disposable windows come in packages of 50. The autoclavable sleeve is delivered clean but non-sterile. For storage in the practice as well as in preparation for the first use on a patient, the sleeve should undergo a sterilization process. We removed the sleeve from its original packaging and sealed it in sterile goods packaging. Alternatively, the sleeve can also be sterilized in other suitable sterilization packaging. For example, in a sterilization container that complies with ISO standard 11607-1. Make sure the sleeve is packaged at a distance of 3 centimeters from the sealed seam and is properly aligned as shown by the arrow. Because the disposable window cannot be sterilized, it is not included in the packaging with this sleeve. Sterilize the packaged sleeve in a suitable steam sterilizer. Select the appropriate program and follow the load pattern specified by the manufacturer of the steam sterilizer. The respective parameters can be found in the instructions for use. In this example, we are using DAC Premium Plus, a Class B steam sterilizer. After sterilization, store the sleeve in a location that is free of contamination until it is used on a patient. Now let's look at the preparations for use on the patient. Start by removing the white protective sleeve from the Primescan. Open the sterile pouch of the sleeve and put on clean gloves. Retrieve one window and place it inside the sleeve. Make sure the small notch fully snaps into place. Attach the sleeve, position the scanner in the cradle, and start using as soon as it's warmed up. We now have to perform a calibration. As we mentioned earlier, the disposable windows come in packages of 50. The calibration process must be performed once for each package. For detailed information about this process, please refer to our video tutorial entitled Calibration Processes with Primescan. After calibration, both the scanner and the sleeve must now be wipe disinfected. Insert a new disposable window before starting the scan procedure inside a patient's mouth. Next, let's look at the steps after use inside a patient's mouth and the associated processing of the sleeve. First, perform a wipe disinfection of the acquisition center, including the scanner. For detailed information about this process, please refer to our video tutorial entitled Acquisition Center and Primescan, Cleaning and Disinfection Procedures. Now remove the autoclavable sleeve from the scanner, wipe the tube with a lint-free dry cloth, and reattach the white protective sleeve. Before you start the processing, remove the disposable window. Lift the window at the notch and slide it out through the guide tracks. The last step is to reprocess the sleeve. Discard the disposable window according to local regulations. Re-sterilize the sleeve as shown earlier in this video and store it in a location without risk of contamination. Thank you very much for your attention. We would like to wish you every success when working with Primescan.